really bit easier. This is what Kevin did.
Alright, then lead me up.
You're gonna hit a rock. Straight.
Dang, look at that.
Forward. Get a big shove on that side. Your passenger side. Right? I would right. Yeah, hold on.
Dang. That's sick.
Stay passenger.
Stay passenger. Yup. And then you can come up right here. Yup. There you go.
Give the beat. Yeah, give the beat.
Be careful, there's a rock.
Is that enough, Dave? Can I go right now?
Go left. Left, 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 left.
Can I go to the right anymore?
You can go to the right all you want.
Yeah, you can go to the right.
Yeah. This is just Kevin did this. Alright.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Is he gonna go to the right?
I don't know what he's doing. I thought he was gonna follow us.
Just wait, cause
Dave, do we need to let this guy around us? Just be careful. Remember, you have your tires aired down, so you don't want to go too fast or too sharp of curves. You're good. That's fine. Oh, you excited? We're gonna do Rocky Mountain Loop. That's the one we did last night in the dark. So this ought to be, you know, pretty interesting.
we'll see.
Should be up here and to the right somewhere. Yeah, it's up. It's just up here.
Okay, I think right there. The first right. Oh, right there. I'm going there too.
Except we're gonna go.
Is that right there?
Yeah, you can go to the right. If we can get in there.
Right here?
Yeah, you can sneak in there.
Let's see.
Just careful not to hit nothing. Because I think we came through here yesterday.
Yeah.
Isn't this the way we
It's
went?
dark, yeah.
I think we're going up.
Yeah, we went to the other side.
Yep, this is Rocky Mountain Loop. We're going up, I think, this time. I think it's that way.
Are you sure?
Yes. Hang on, Yep. Hang on a second, Dave. We gotta back up a little bit. It's that way. All right. No, you're good. Just back up. Oh my goodness. that mud.
Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh wow.
Okay, so Jess is gonna come up here. It's gonna be pretty nasty. Let me run up here, guys. This is Jess's first couple times wheeling up here. Stay a little driver. Now straighten it out. Yep. Keep coming. Nice and slow. Little passenger. There you go, nice and slow. Keep coming. Yep, straighten it out. There you go. Keep coming. Good. Nice and slow. There you go. Yep. Look out your door and keep crawling up that rock. Keep going. Yep, nice and slow. You just keep crawling straight up. You got a clear line, just nice and slow. There you go, Dave. Little passenger. There you go, straight. There you go. There you go, just follow her line. Passenger. All right, babe. Just stay as close to driver as you can. So stay close to driver. Yep, stay close to driver. You're doing good, perfect. Yep. Now a little passenger. There you go. There you go, nice and slow. Good job. Straighten it out. Yep. Now a little, go driver. Good job. There you go. Yeah? You're good. Nice and slow. Easy. Right there, that's the one.